Le Centre pour le développement de l'entreprise, à travers son bureau régional, appuie le secteur privé d'Afrique australe, grâce à une étroite collaboration entre partenaires publics et privés. Le Botswana et le Mozambique illustrent parfaitement les initiatives du CDE dans la région.
Having a decent job is probably the best recipe against poverty. So we're really trying to foster the development of the private sector. Now, if you look at the Southern African region, GDP growth is forecasted to be probably around 5%. And there are huge opportunities. Infrastructure is probably the sector that we're going to see taking off. Agriculture is another pole that we are really looking into. And in all those areas, there is huge potential for private and public partnerships.
At national level, our collaboration is mainly with European delegations, Ministry of Trade and Industry, Ministry of Finance and intermediary organizations in order to find synergies and complementarities in order to support the private sector in Southern Africa.
No economy can depend on government to survive, or no nation can depend on just itself to survive. We believe that the private sector is an engine for growth, and we are focusing our energies on the development of the private sector. That is why, as a government, we are quite happy to encourage collaborations similar to the setting that we have between our private sector through BOKIM and CDE.
The government of Botswana and the European Union signed a financing agreement to the tune of 10 million euros.
La participation du CDE s'élève à 850 000 €, y compris le financement par des fondations privées.
One of the major challenges that faces SMEs in Botswana is access to market, as well as access to market information. One of the programs that the Private Sector Development Program will undertake is to assist BOKIM to develop an information system for market intelligence. And this system will enable our SMMEs to promote their products regionally and internationally.
La qualité des produits et des services, la certification et l'accréditation sont fondamentales pour accéder au marché local, régional et international.
We currently supply our local market, Botswana. We are also supplying Zimbabwe. So our plan in the future is to expand our market presence in Zimbabwe and to also export into Southern Africa, countries like Namibia, Zambia, South Africa, and so forth.
We've got a product which has won awards on the international natural and organic shows for high quality product. We are internationally registered with the HACCP system. I'm looking for some European, possibly partners to come in, or someone else who can come in and work with us here, because there's enormous potential. Not only for this, we've got plans, we're getting into cosmetic oils from the lot of very valuable cosmetic oils in big quantities here.
The CDE is in a very good position working for the European Union. We've so far achieved many good operations, and we want to support small projects, and especially projects which are supported by women. We were very pleased, the French Embassy, to be able to liaise Shana Corporate Foundation with CDE. So we've identified these 30 projects supported by women in different areas, like manufacture, leatherworks, handicraft, and food products.
Our vision or our mission is to be a leading designer brand in manufacturing handcrafted leather bags. So that is where we would want to see our bag internationally recognized as a brand that makes good quality leather products.
Our market is, at the moment, our market is basically local, and we have a little market that we do export market, but especially in South Africa. We are trying to incorporate our traditions with the trends, with the modern trends.
Currently, we have 7 companies that are housed in the leather incubator, and but we have a capacity to hold 10 businesses. What Leah offers as the leather incubator, we offer the clients a protected environment, What we offer them is shared machine workshop.
I just felt there was a niche market in Botswana in terms of custom-made items, but I've also sparked a lot of interest in South Africa. I ensure that my customers get their orders on time. I actually treat a lot of my fashion projects like my projects in engineering. You know, I'll go through the planning stages, the design stages, the initiation, the implementation, and do the quality control and closure just like as I would in engineering.
We are supporting a new generation of entrepreneurs in Africa with strong qualification, strong vision, and who develop innovative, new and competitive products for the regional market.
The regional office for the Southern African region has been working with the National Institute of Tourism for Mozambique, that is in Natur. We've actually helped them to develop a grading system for the hospitality sector.
Não haverá dispersão de qualidade de sítio para o outro. Portanto, é importante que o Inatur tenha percebido esta mais-valia e, no fundo, acaba por criar padrão de serviços de grande qualidade.
I should say that we must be the #1 hotel, a 3-star hotel in the market. Also, we compete as well with some 4-star hotels with our quality of service. The help of CD, it helped Inatur to revise the law and the regulation for hotel.
Our hotel hosts mainly corporate people and business people. We have some, I would say, 95% of the people is corporate or business, and 5% I would say leisure.
I will mention only 3 challenges. One is related to position Mozambique as a world-class tourism destination. The second one is to develop the human resource to serve the hospitality and tourism industries. The third one is to contribute for more and more investment attraction to Mozambique.
Une étroite collaboration avec les institutions financières locales est fondamentale pour trouver des mécanismes de financement appropriés pour les PME.
Where we're providing small businesses or micro businesses or medium businesses with accountancy skills, with packages that will better manage the financial transactions of these businesses. We've collaborated with both on the pre and the post-approval side of the business cycle. The first thing obviously is that they need to have a bankable document, which is the business plan that is then presented to us, and CDU would assist maybe with that business planning. And if it passes the litmus test of being a viable business, then we will then approve those loans. Thereafter, CD can assist with the business to grow and to do all those other interventions of capacitating the skill sets of the business people, the accounting function, the records keeping.
We are positioning ourselves as one of the most progressive, dynamic investment promotion agencies, and we're benchmarking with the best of the best in the world. We are always happy when we can find a partner like CDE who can, which we can use as a network to leverage in terms of engaging and be introduced to other businesses or other business people across the world.
L'animation de réseaux entre les secteurs publics et privés d'Afrique et d'Europe est cruciale pour établir des partenariats sur la base d'intérêts mutuels.
The collaboration of BOKIM and CDE will actually help BOKIM to access the network within the Southern Africa Development Community, but it will also connect BOKIM to other associations such as the Belgian Chamber of Commerce and other European outfits.
We have gone beyond just looking for aid. We are looking for equitable partners that can participate and work with us in our strategy to develop, in our strategy to build, in our strategy to grow.
This is the right time to invest in Southern Africa, which presents a great potential in infrastructure, tourism, agro-industry, but also financial services.
Tant les secteurs publics que privés d'Afrique australe souhaitent établir des partenariats durables avec l'Union européenne.